What's up, everybody? V-Rock here, and I'm bringing all of you an unboxing. Merry Christmas, everyone. This is the Christmas Unboxing 2025. So, I was going to may or may not have a special guest. I tried to get some special guests. My first option was unavailable. So my second option was going to do it, but then they became unavailable with holiday and family stuff. So here we are. It's just me. So enough talking. Let's get on with the unboxing. So, what do we got, right? All of this stuff. That's right. We're unboxing all of this stuff here. So, what do we want to start with? Probably the smaller one first. So, I'm going to set this camera up to be hands-free. So, let's do it. Hopefully that's good enough. All right. So let's start with this. Sure, this doesn't exactly look like the best wrapping job, but it is what it is, right? So let's open this. Okay. A lot of tape holding this together. I want to make sure this camera is centered. Okay, good. Had to do a little bit of an adjustment there. So what do we got in here, huh? It's a black bag. So what do you suppose is in this black bag, huh? Well, we're going to find out. Oh boy. Can't wait to find out what's in this. If I can get it open, huh? There we go, finally. Oh. Oh, look at that. I wonder why this little bag is open. So, what we got in here, it looks like rings. It says size 11. On the packaging here. So, what is this? This looks like a wedding band. You know what? Let's try it on. Let's try it on and see how it looks, right? It also appears to look like it's made of stainless steel. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. No. Obviously, it wouldn't fit this finger. So. Very, very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's see what the other ones are like. I'll just put this back in the little plastic bag. Okay. I'm impressed with it. So we got some other ones here, it looks like. What is this? It appears to look like a dollar sign. Yeah. I'm not sure that we want to try all these rings on. Ah, well. Why not? We've got quite a bit of time to do this. Oh. Yeah. Look at that bling bling. That's nice. Okay. Very cool. We'll just stick that back in here. Okay, that's 2 out of what appears to be 5. This one appears to be a square. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what this one will look like. Wow. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. So we'll put that one back in there. Hope everybody's having a wonderful holiday celebration. Okay. Next up, we've got this one that looks like a star. Okay. So let's open this up and see what it looks like on my finger. These tiny plastic bags. Sometimes they can be difficult. Alright, I think I got it. There we go. So let's get this out there. That's nice. That is real nice. Yeah. Okay. So we've got one more to go. Alright, good. We'll just close that back up. And finally, the last one. Well, this looks like a square with like a stone in it. Let's get it out of the plastic. And see what it looks like on my finger. Oh. Oh. Yeah. That's real nice. Yeah. All right, cool. I think all these rings are really awesome. So let's get this back in the plastic. Okay. Cool. And I guess we'll just, you know, stick these all back in this other baggie. And then we'll move on to the next gift. All right, then. We'll just close that back up. Cool. So, on to the next thing, right? How about this? How about this, right? Yeah, let's do this one. Oh. It's candy canes. The good kind of candy canes. Yeah. They're creamsicle candy canes. That's awesome. I like that. Very nice. Okay. On to the next gift, right? Oh, this is a big one. So let's get it open. What could possibly be inside? Oh, come on. Open up. I've got balls of steel. Yes. In the words of Duke Nukem, I've got balls of steel. And what that means is extreme confidence, bravery, toughness. And it's one of my favorite quotes. Okay. Wrapping paper doesn't seem to want to come off. Well, we'll force it. Yeah. Some way, somehow, we'll get it to come off. Where there's a will, there's a way to do this. We'll just yank the shit out. Okay, so what do we got here? This looks like a jug of orange juice. It says here that this is Signature Select 100% juice orange. Yes. Yes. Your eyes do not deceive you. I have received a jug of orange juice for Christmas. How wonderful. It's not exactly what I asked for, but cool. I'll accept it. Very nice. All right. I say we should move on to the next gift, right? So, there's a bag here, huh? Oh, stuff's tipping over. Silly physics. Okay, so what is in here, all right? Let's find out. It appears to be a box. So what's inside this, huh? Yank that plastic right off. Come on. Yes. Oh. Oh. What is it? Huh. Interesting, huh? So what do we got? What's in the box, right? Paper stuff that doesn't need to be shown on camera. Okay. That was unimportant. Oh. Oh. Hey now. Well. Would you look at that? It appears to be a dress shoe. Oh, wow. Nice leather. Good traction on the bottoms of the shoe. Okay. What's it say it's called? Uh-huh. SR Max. I think that's what the tag reads. Let's see this other one. Let's get this damn plastic shit, paper out of here. Tissue shit. I have no idea what the hell this is. I don't know why it's on the shoe. But okay. Very nice. Wow. I'm going to have to try these on later. These, what size are these? They look like they're an 8.5. Wow. Okay. Was there anything important on this piece of cardboard? Absolutely not. Alright. That's nice. So cool. New dress shoes. I like them. Very impressive. We'll just put those back in the bag. I'm not going to try those on camera here. I'll deal with that at a later time. So, what's left? This other bag. That's what's left. This thing here. Oh boy. I guess this one's next up. We'll just yank that off. That bow. Let's get rid of the tag. We don't need that. So what is in this, huh? I could only imagine. Alright. At least the wrapping paper is a lot easier on this than it was on the orange juice. Wow. What is this? Huh. Oh. Oh. Hello. Let's open this. Let's open this and find out. Mmm. Wild salmon. That's right. Look at that. Some wild salmon there. Very interesting. Yeah, smoked wild salmon. Cool. That'll definitely be very, very good. What else? What else we got? Oh, this one's a little bit heavier. Okay. I'm looking for a good place to start tearing the paper. I think right here is good. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, V-Rock, open this. What are we waiting for? Christmas? We're already here at Christmas. Oh my god, it smells like chocolate. And that's because it is chocolate. dark chocolate mint frangos. That's right, dark chocolate mint frangos. These, I believe, you can find at Macy's department stores or Macy's website. These are expensive as fuck, but they're so good. That is awesome. Get a good shot of that. Yes. I'm definitely going to enjoy these. Way more than the smoked wild salmon. Alright. What else we got? What is this? Huh. Pretty big. It might be too big for the camera. I gotta put some of this stuff back in the shoebox. Some of this paper stuff needs to go back in there. Okay. Well, this is what it says on the tag. Uh-huh. It appears to be a coat. I thought this would be like a hoodie. But okay. It's a coat. It's got inside pockets. Alright. Obviously a nice hood. Another pocket on this side. Just below this other pocket here. So I think it's got what, like 2 pockets on the inside. What does the outside got? Oh. Well, here we go. We got a pocket here. And a pocket on the outside, obviously. And, yep, another pocket here. emblem, obviously. Is there another pocket? Alright. What is this in the back? With the sleeve here. Huh. This looks like another pocket. Is there one on the other side? Oh, yeah. Yeah. There's another one. Okay. You know what? We'll try this on. We will definitely try this one on. Alright. I gotta get up here. Up off the floor if I can. Alright. So. Let's try this jacket on. I need to find a place to set this up, which is not exactly promising. At the moment here. Oops, come on. Stay right there. I hope to God that doesn't slide. Since I'm having to improvise here. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yeah? Yeah? I think it goes well with the hat, too. Yeah? Mm-hmm. All right. Very cool. So, I got some pretty cool shit. All right. Very awesome. So, yeah, I'm going to keep this on a little while. I'm enjoying it. All right. Put some of that other stuff back in the bag. I'll just set this back up again. All right. All right, the frangos and the salmon can go back in. I just knocked over my battery bank. Yes, I have one of these. It's got a plug. And this is not exactly a Christmas present. But yeah. I've got a lightning cable on this side. I've got a USB C cable on here. So, yeah. Anyways. I hope all of you have enjoyed the Christmas unboxing of 2025. I certainly have enjoyed it. We'll take a look at the stuff one more time. Except for the jacket, because you can already see it on me. So, yeah. All of this stuff, huh? That I got for Christmas. That is awesome. So, yeah. This has been absolutely amazing. I still can't believe I got that jug of orange juice for Christmas. But it's awesome. So, yeah, there you go, people. One good look at all the stuff that I unwrapped. You know what? I should probably pull out the Frangos and the salmon and just set them up. There we go. I think that looks better now. Had to do a little rearranging. Oh yeah, baby. So yeah, very awesome stuff that I just got. I'm very quite happy with it. All right, people. I hope all of you have enjoyed the Christmas unboxing of 2025. I certainly did. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, V-Rock Games. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything when I upload. You can also check me out live streaming on Bigo Live, screen name V-Rock. You can also check me out live streaming on Twitch, VRock720. You can also follow me on social media, X/Twitter, VRock720, Instagram, VRock720. And then, of course, there is my Patreon page, which I will just drop the link for that. My Patreon page is www.patreon.com/VRockGames, where there's exclusive merchandise, exclusive perks, and content on there. All of that stuff. So, yes. Once again, Merry Christmas, everybody. And hope everybody is looking forward to New Year's. I think it'll be definitely even better than Christmas. So with that said, happy holidays. This was an amazing Christmas, and I think New Year's will be even much better. It may top Christmas. Anyways, peace out, everyone.